Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. To my new and old subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment, and also turn on your notification bell for you to be the first to be notified any day, anytime a new video is being uploaded. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I prepare this delicious ugu soup known as pumpkin soup. So guys, keep watching and let's get started. You will love every bit of this recipe. For this recipe, I'll be using fresh ugu. Ugu contains great amount of calcium, potassium and magnesium. These nutrients are needed by the body to maintain healthy, strong, firm bones and teeth. So next, I went ahead to start picking the leaves out from the stem. So I will be repeating this until I am done with all the ugu. Once done, wash the ugu leaf by adding some salt. This helps to remove any sand or dirt in the leaf, okay? Wash as multiple times as you can to make sure there is no trace of sand or dirt in the vegetable. Very important. And also apply patience. Once done washing, leave it in the strainer to drain out the excess water out, okay? Now it is time to cut the vegetables. Cut to your desired size, okay? Once that is done, set it aside. Next, I will be using dry uziza leaf. So I added in some salt and hot water to it, stir and cover for like 2 minutes. Then go ahead and wash it properly. Make sure there is no sand in it. Once done, set it aside. We are done prepping all the vegetables and let the cooking begin. Yeah, in a clean pot I added some goat meat properly clean. Feel free to use any protein of your choice. Then add the stockfish. Go ahead and season with some onions, but this is optional. Then add in your salt to taste, some seasoning cubes. Stir around, cover the pot and let it cook on its own juice without adding any water for about 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, open the pot and give it a properly stir. Add some water to the level of the meat in the pot and stir. You can as well adjust with some salt. Cover the pot and bring to a boil. Now we are checking on the pot. As you can see, the meat is now boiling. Add in the cow face, optional. Add some red palm oil, some seasoning cubes, add some crayfish, adjust to your taste, uziza powder, some fresh pepper, ogiri is known as fermented locust beans. Yeah. Stir to combine. For the thickener, we are going to be using cocoyam. Feel free to use any thickener of your choice. Now go ahead and start adding it into the pot bit by bit. Remember, the quantity of cocoyam added depends on how thick or light you want the soup, okay? Once done adding the cocoyam, give it a stir. Cover the pot and let it cook on a high heat until the cocoyam dissolves. After some minutes now, we are checking on the pot. As you can see, the cocoyam is well dissolved and I have gotten the consistency that I need. Yeah, this is perfect. Now I went ahead and added in my grilled fish. You can use any fish of your choice. Now add in the uziza leaf Once done, give it a stir. Go ahead and add in the ugu leaf and mix until it is well combined. Now we are done mixing. Go ahead and cover the pot and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, our soup is ready. Give it a stir and turn off the cooker. Be careful not to overcook your vegetables, okay? Now it is time to serve. Guys, this soup tasted so super delicious and yummylicious. If you haven't tried out this recipe, please do and you will love it. It is also healthy for the body. Enjoy with any swallow of your choice. I will be leaving the list of the ingredients in the description box below. Please check it out and make sure you try this recipe out and let me know what you think about the soup in the comment section. We have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one. Remain blessed. Bye bye.